Alright, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Moan. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you stay a while. If you're not, welcome back. This video is going to be a very realistic week in my life. I want to be as relatable as I can be, and I don't want people to always think that, you know, oh, you know, she's always doing something. No, I am not. I don't have a whole lot planned this week, so if this vlog is a little boring, I like watching people that are relatable as much as I like watching people that are always, you know, on the hustle and bustle doing something. The girls that get it, period. It's gonna be a very chill week, I would say, because next week is when I'm going to bring y'all along to all my appointments for my vacation, and then the week after that is actual vacation. So the next few vlogs are gonna be way more interesting probably than this one is. But like I said, like some weeks are just like this. And like today I have plans. I have to go take Jared to his doctor's appointment. If I sound nasally, that's why. But he has a doctor's appointment today. I'm gonna bring y'all along when I go to the gym. I'm about to head there now. What else do I have to do this week? I have to make a UPS return. I have a few brand unboxings I have to do. I actually might do some back to school supply shopping because classes are gonna be starting for me soon. For those who don't know, I'm a nursing major, but there's not a whole lot I need to really get for school. So we'll see if I actually do that. What else? That's pretty much it. Like, this is gonna be a really realistic vlog. I want y'all to see that I'm not living or trying to like live this fake lavish life. Like, no. Most weeks are gonna be like this one. We're going to go ahead and head to the gym. I'm actually gonna bring y'all, unlike last week's vlog, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. But last week's vlog I told y'all that I would bring y'all, and I kind of didn't. But I actually am. I'm actually gonna bring y'all this time. I brought my tripod and everything, so I'm ready. I got my pre-workout. Let's go ahead and head to the gym.
I'd be Superman if I fly around the world. It wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, oh,
y'all saw that big girl weight. That was a PR right there.
Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, to keep you away, just so I could understand.
Alright girlies, so that was just a glimpse into my workout for today. It felt so good to be back in the gym because I did miss yesterday because of tubing. Okay, y'all. Sidebar. My baby's nickname is Two. I don't know how many times I've had to edit out me saying Two and re-record it and say Jared because I've never actually told y'all that that is his nickname. So he's named after his dad. He's the second, so that's why his nickname is Two. So if ever hear me say Two, I'm talking about my baby. Back to what I was saying. So I did miss yesterday because he was sick. I got to go and I feel so good. We worked glutes, hamstrings, and calves today. We are now headed to pick him up so we can go take him to his doctor's appointment. It is currently 10:12. And so I will probably check back in with y'all after his doctor's appointment, after I've gotten ready for the day and figure out what I'm actually going to get accomplished today. Because my to-do list for this week is not long, like I told y'all earlier. So we'll see what exactly I actually do. I know I do want to record one of my unboxings at least today, because the brands have already emailed me reaching out trying to see when I actually plan on posting so they can go ahead and pay me. But yeah, so that's the update for right now, and I will check back in with y'all in a few. Alright, so it is currently 1:18. Two's doctor's appointment went well. Currently taking a nap. I have showered. I said I was gonna do my hair after my shower, but as we can see, that didn't happen. So it might happen later on today, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. However, I do not think that I will be doing the outside of the house to-do list things today. I feel like I'm probably just gonna stay in the house and get some of the stuff that I have to do in the house done. And then about to eat lunch, and so I'll probably only do the unboxing today and then just try to get some more stuff done tomorrow. So Two will probably not be going to school for the rest of the week though, because I just got an email from them saying that there is a stomach bug going around school. So his illness, or what had him sick, had nothing to do with his stomach. So I'm not gonna like suscept him to more germs. So this week was his last like summer week, considering next week school actually starts on Tuesday. So I'm probably just gonna keep him home for the rest of this week, and just hopefully they'll have that whole stomach bug situation figured out by the time school starts next week. So yeah, what else? I think that's all I have for you guys. I told you guys to check back in, so I did. I'm a woman of my word. I'll probably do like a little montage of me doing the unboxing, and that'll probably be it for today. I might not talk to y'all again till tomorrow, but we'll see. Alright y'all, good morning. It is Wednesday, August 9th, currently 7:48. So yesterday, y'all, I know I said that I was gonna at least do like one unboxing and montage for y'all. I did nothing. I did absolutely nothing. off of my to-do list. And like I said, this is going to be super realistic. I wasn't about to fake the funk or nothing like that. I did not feel like, I didn't feel like doing anything. I had a horrible, I guess, allergy attack. I don't know, which is crazy because why are your headphones not on? Anyways, which is crazy because I haven't had bad allergies since I was a kid.
School bus.
Yeah, it is a school bus. So I don't know what was going on, but we're gonna try to be way more productive today and get some more of the to-do list done. Currently I am on the way to go drop him off. I'm going to school. He's going to his grandparents' house because, like I told y'all before, even though he might be feeling a little bit better, I'm still not gonna have him around more germs like a stomach bug. Like, no, sick toddlers are just not what's up. So he's going to his grandparents' house. I'm gonna try to let the school get rid of all their germs, and he'll start school on Tuesday like he's supposed to. And I'm currently headed to the and then I'll be headed to the gym. Today's back day. My week is a little thrown off because, like, I didn't get to go to the gym Monday. So today normally would have been glutes, but we're gonna do back. I might bring y'all along, maybe do a few more clips like I did yesterday, but I don't know, because like I said, I don't want y'all to think this is gonna be a fitness page because it's not. I think that's it for right now. I will either check back in with y'all at the gym or after the gym. I might be able to check back in with y'all before I do my dad's, or help with my dad's physical therapy. I might be able to do that. And then if not, I'll check back in with y'all after the physical therapy whenever I am out and about moving for the day. Because we're going to get something accomplished today, y'all. We are going to get something accomplished. So it's Saturday. So y'all know how I'm getting used to this whole camera thing, right? The past few days, I've been thinking I was recording, and apparently my camera has this mode where you can record with no sound. So the past few days, that's what I've been doing. Went to go edit this morning. Half the vlog is silent. But I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. And I'm still gonna post this vlog. Realistic. Hope y'all enjoyed the few days that y'all did get to see. Slightly boring and all, but I did get the majority of those unboxings done. I think I only have like one more I gotta do. That was in the vlog. I was able to do my hair. We're now on like day 3 curls. I was able to get the UPS package shipped. I was able to get a lot done. Y'all just didn't get to see it. And it's like I was gonna like maybe do like a voiceover, but I didn't even know what I was talking about in some of the videos. I was like, what was I saying in the car? Like I didn't even know. So I was like, we're just gonna start fresh from right here. But yeah, so next week or this week coming up, we're prepping for vacay. So stay tuned for that. There'll be definitely a way more exciting vlog. And I am getting to know my camera, so we shouldn't have any problems from here on out. Which is good because I'm glad I'm getting all of the kinks out now versus when I have really good content like this week or like the trip. We'll be straight for then. Just, you know, this little realistic vlog. Real realistic. That's all I got for y'all.
That's nice, kid.
If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I will see y'all for vacay prep. Bye.